Welcome to Auto Insider. Today, we're taking an exciting look at the 2025 Land Rover Campervan, a unique blend of rugged Land Rover heritage with all the comforts you'd expect in a camper. If you're an adventurer who wants luxury, performance, and versatility on and off the road, this campervan might just be your ideal travel companion. Let's start with what sets the 2025 Land Rover Campervan apart. Designed with the iconic Land Rover styling, it sports a robust, angular design that's both functional and sophisticated. This model has a refined, durable exterior built to withstand the demands of off-road terrain while providing a sleek look that feels right at home in the city. It comes equipped with high-clearance suspension and all-terrain tires, so whether you're navigating through rugged trails or urban streets, the 2025 Land Rover Campervan is ready for it all. Under the hood, Land Rover offers a turbocharged V6 engine, providing the power and torque needed to handle everything from steep mountain paths to highways. With around 340 horsepower, this engine doesn't just deliver raw power. It's paired with an efficient fuel system that's surprisingly economical for a vehicle of its size. And thanks to Land Rover's advanced AWD technology, you'll experience excellent traction and stability on any surface. This is an SUV that lets you explore without limits. Inside, the campervan feels like a mobile luxury suite. The cabin is spacious, featuring high-quality materials and a well-thought-out layout. You've got a full kitchenette with a mini fridge, stove, and sink, along with a comfortable seating area that easily converts into a bed. Smart storage solutions make sure that every inch is maximized, allowing you to bring all your essentials without clutter. Plus, you'll find a compact bathroom, complete with a shower, perfect for those who want the comforts of home on the road. A major highlight of the 2025 Land Rover Campervan is its tech suite. It includes a touchscreen infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and even a real-time off-road guidance system. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras add a layer of confidence, no matter where you go. Now, let's talk price. Starting at around $120,000, the Land Rover Campervan is definitely an investment. But for those who seek high-quality off-road capability, combined with the comforts of a camper, it's worth every dollar. Thanks for joining us on Auto Insider. Tune in tomorrow as we dive into another great feature of the 2025 Land Rover Campervan. And remember, there's another exciting car review on the way, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.